Current AI creative tools are built by non-creatives for other non-creatives to feel creative. My name is Weber, and I'm the founder of Flora, the world's first AI-powered creative workflow system built for creative professionals. We decided to take all the best creative AI tools and put them into one single creative platform. We let you take the best text, image, and video models and stitch them together to build entire creative workflows. Scalable workflows that let you iterate, ideate, and refine faster than ever before. Flora has the best AI models in 3 types of blocks: text, image, and video. Connect blocks together to have creative control of your generative process, more so than just typing into a prompt box. You can also share your project and collaborate with your team in real time, or go to community to find thousands of workflows tailored for your use case. Today, Flora is used by creatives from world-class agencies like Pentagram to art students at NYU ITP, a creative technology program at NYU Tisch that we were founded out of. We are backed by world-class investors such as A16Z Games, Menlo Ventures, and Long Journey Ventures, as well as angels from Pika, Stability, Midjourney, and more. As part of launch, we're putting together a library of exclusive creative workflows, ranging from brand identity variations to cinematic storyboarding, built by creative professionals to help you get started in Flora. To get access for free, retweet this post and comment Flora below. Creating should feel natural. Plan your ideas, watch them grow. We're excited to see what you create in Flora.